Hello, my dear friend. Welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to cook a lazy cutlet. How interesting is it? In the world, you can find a lot of interesting, easy recipe to cooking. And one of the one I want to try, it's lazy cutlet. For that we need some chicken, then mozzarella, 1 egg, bell pepper, or how call it is in Australia, capsicum, and some leaves, of course, because it's healthy dish, salt, pepper, and few Italian leaves, and I like it, and I put pretty much everywhere, and a bit oil. Okay, so let's start preparing this meat. Today I want to share with you a recipe for cutlets, which are sometimes called lazy cutlets. They are called lazy cutlets because it's prepared very easy and quick. Well, let's get started. And we will begin to preparing the meat. For this cutlets recipe, in the best take chicken meat, and especially fillet, so that the cutlets turn out to be as tender and not greasy as possible. This option is suitable even for those people who adhere to diets. Take the chicken fillets and rinse thoroughly under running water. After this, cut the meat into the very small cups. Place the prepared meat in the large bowl. Let's prepare vegetables and herbs. The best vegetables for this dish is bell pepper. I recommend to take a red one that seems to me that is best tasting than all other peppers and will look just as beautiful in a dish. We remove the seeds from the pepper, wash it, and cut into the smallest cubes possible. Place in a bowl with the chicken fillet. Now let's move to the greens. The most successful herbs in combination with these products we have choose will be green onion or rocklet and basil. It's tasty also. We wash it thoroughly under running water and cut it in the small pieces and put it in a bowl with the rest of the ingredients. The main ingredients are ready. Let's move on to the last steps, so we can finally start frying their super easy cutlets. Now we need to add 1 egg, salt, pepper, and sauce cream to our product mix and mix thoroughly. To add an even more delightful and pleasant taste to our cutlets, I recommend addition cheese. I use mozzarella because it melts well, which differently suits us in this recipe. Grate the cheese on a fine grater, add into the bowls with the rest of the ingredients and mix thoroughly. And the very last steps, in addition, flour. Adding a small amount of flour is necessary so that it absorbs excess liquid and our cutlets turn out elastic and not to spit over the pan. Pour some flour or olive oil into a hot frying pan. We fry our cutlets on both sides, reducing the power of the stone a little so that our cutlets do not burn. So, and it looks like so yummy, so juicy. And oh my gosh, yeah. So, and then inside, a lot of cheese. So, I recommend it to eat it hot or warm. So yummy. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.